Uh-huh. What time are you coming home, do you know? Okay. Hey, you'll have to see this. She is just dancing in here. How funny. Boy. Alright, well, I'll talk to you later. Yeah. I'll see ya. Bye.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Do it again, again!
I'm not sure if she likes it or if she doesn't like it.